Have you ever wanted to automatically post to Instagram? Well, the way to do it has finally just been released. And inside of this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to have your pictures automatically posted to your Instagram while you're busy doing other things. So keep watching. On this channel, I teach people how to grow a social media following and turn that into leads and sales for their business. So if you're interested in more videos like that, be sure to click the subscribe button below and also click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this one. So follow me along as I hop on my laptop right now and walk you through step by simple step to automatically post to your Instagram. All right, my friend, now I'm on my laptop. Now, the way to automatically post to Instagram is to use a free website called Planoly. Now, I'm gonna include a link below to this website, so you go ahead and follow along. But all you're gonna do is log into this site on a computer, okay? To be able to auto post, you need to right now do it on a computer. And what you're gonna do is log in and just link your Instagram to this website. Now, up until this point, you've been able to schedule posts. Maybe you've been aware of Planoly and you can actually schedule posts. So what would happen is, and as you can see on the screen, I've actually have Instagram pictures that are scheduled to go out the next few days. And what's happened in the past is you would schedule, okay, so if I open up a post right here, this is gonna be the next post that's gonna be posting today. If I open this up, you can see I've actually uploaded an image and I've written a description, okay, with some hashtags at the bottom. Now, what would happen again is you would schedule this ahead of time, and at the time and day that the picture or post was ready, you would get a notification on your smartphone, and then you would just basically follow the instructions to copy and paste the caption and post the picture. So now they've just released the ability to auto post. Okay, now in order to do that, the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that your Instagram is a business account, okay? And it's very easy to switch over to a business account, but they're not allowing you to do it if you just have a personal profile. So in order to easily convert your Instagram to a business account, if you don't know how to do that, what I'm gonna do is have a card pop up on the video right now that you can go ahead and click, where I do about, it's a minute-long video where I walk you through very quickly how to set up a business profile for Instagram. It's also good to do that because you're gonna get insights as far as the best times to post, and what type of people are following your Instagram. So it's very useful to use business insights and convert your Instagram to a business profile. Now, once you do that, what you wanna do is you wanna go to these lines right here, click that, and then hit My Profile. Okay, once you open that, you wanna scroll down, and then you wanna see where your Instagram will be linked right here. And what you wanna do is click Auto Post. Okay, now it's gonna say to enable Instagram direct publishing, please authenticate your Instagram business profile via your Facebook account. Click there, authenticate with Facebook, and it's gonna pop open, and then you're just gonna go through and do that. Okay, so it says AutoPost is now available for all new scheduled posts. So it basically allowed me to now auto post the ones that I've already scheduled, but if you haven't scheduled any, you're gonna be able to just auto post from the ground running, okay? Now, if you don't know how to actually schedule a post, because that's the key when you want to auto post, it's very, very easy. All you're going to do is you're going to go to add new media, and you're going to select a source. Okay, so for example, let's say you have an image on your computer. So I'll go ahead and upload one as a test to show you how this works. Okay, so now as you can see in this top corner, this is the one that I just uploaded. Now you see this little U, that means it's unscheduled. So we need to schedule it to be able to auto post automatically while you're out living life. You can literally have a picture posted to your account. Now, before I go any further, you can't do this with stories or videos yet. It's just images, but believe me, if you've been posting manually, and maybe you're wanting to grow a following or build a bigger business, you know how amazing this is and how much time it's gonna save you. So what you wanna do is click on the picture that you just uploaded, and now what you wanna do is put in your caption right here, okay? Now this is gonna be the caption that's gonna show up underneath the image on Instagram. So just for test purposes, I'll say, now you can add a few hashtags to this post. on this caption, and just for demonstration purposes, I'll say motivation is key. Now notice right here, it actually shows you how many other people have used that hashtag with these numbers. Now, see, this one is 176,000. If you're just starting off and you wanna, as a bonus tip, you wanna rank your pictures in the Explore page to start gaining a bigger following, you wanna use hashtags that only about 100,000 to 400,000 people at the most have used. This is gonna allow you to build, especially if you're just starting off. I have more training videos on my channel exactly how to use hashtags, but that's a quick tip for you. Now, once you have that in there, you're simply gonna go to schedule a date, and then you want to put in the date and time that you want it to auto post. Okay, so today is the 6th, but let's say I wanted to do tomorrow at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, because earlier we went through the profile and we actually set auto post to be automatically on, then we just will leave this. Okay, if you don't want it to auto post for whatever reason, you would just turn that off and then it's disabled, and you would get a notification on how you can actually manually post it at the time that it's scheduled. But if you want it to just auto post, just click there and then hit save. Okay, this is gonna schedule it for that time where it will automatically post to your Instagram feed and your Instagram profile at the date and time. Okay, and as you can see, because it's scheduled here, I have these other ones scheduled there, it put it in when the date and time that I set is. And you can go ahead and do this for months in advance. So now you know how to automatically post pictures to your Instagram without even lifting a finger. But how do you turn these Instagram posts into leads and sales for a business? Well, be sure to grab my free training series revealing how to generate over 50 leads a day on Instagram, either down below or head to GarrettGetsResults.com/Instagram. Well, I hope this helped you, my friend. If it did, be sure to click the like button below, share this with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, I'd love to hear your feedback. Comment down below. Are you excited to automatically post to Instagram? How are you gonna use this? And also feel free to comment your Instagram username so we can all follow each other and build our followings even more. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will catch you on the next video.